Alright, we got the carburetor cleaned here and everything back together. Got the gas on. A couple of adjustment screws here related with the idle I haven't touched. There's another one up there, right here. And I haven't adjusted the valves either. And I haven't replaced the rope. We're just going to try to start this as is. I'm going to put it on choke. I haven't put any starter fluid in here. Here we go again. Another left-hand start from cleaning the carburetor out, which did have a little bit of gook in the jet. Put it on full choke. This will click when it goes to choke. And it was working. I did check that out. Made sure it was choking. I'm going to put the linkage back on. Here we go. So far it's staying running. Sounds good for the Honda. Let this run a little while. Got our Honda back running.